a land of ancient beauty, unmatched heritage, and profound faith. Today, we honor the incredible spirit of India. Here are 10 extraordinary realms where this nation stands as number one in the entire world. And the last one will completely change how you view history. Number 1, the foundation of truth. It was the brilliance of ancient Indian minds that gifted humanity the concept of zero and the decimal system. Without Indians' foundational wisdom, the modern digital age simply would not exist. Number 2, reaching the heavens. India's Chandrayaan-1 was the very first mission to discover water on the moon, and Chandrayaan-3 boldly conquered the unexplored lunar South Pole. We won't look back at Chandrayaan-2 today because true pioneers only focus on the ultimate triumph. Number 3, the pulse of modern commerce.
Payment of 1450 rupees received.
Thank you.
Driven by innovation, India handles nearly 46% of the world's real-time digital payments through UPI. That is more global digital transactions than the next 4 superpower nations combined. Number 4, master strategy. Long before it spread across the globe, chess was born in ancient India as Chaturanga, a majestic game designed perfectly around royal military strategy and foresight. Number 5, the healing of nations. Over 5,000 years ago, this historic land birthed yoga and Ayurveda, the world's most enduring holistic health system, guiding hundreds of millions towards peace and wellness today. Number 6, a legacy of unity. Standing strong as a beacon of collective voice, India shines as the largest democracy on earth, seamlessly coordinating national elections for nearly 1 billion eligible voters. Number 7, unstoppable youth. With a vibrant generation of over 600 million minds under the age of 25, India holds the world's largest youth population, actively driving global technology forward. Number 8, the spice of life. Cultivating rich, abundant soil, India produces over 70% of the entire planet's spices. Whenever a dish anywhere on earth warms your soul with rich flavor, thank India. Number 9, a nation united by purpose. Home to over 1 billion passionate sports fans, India boasts the largest stadium on the globe in Ahmedabad, built to hold an awe-inspiring 132,000 voices. Number 10, a beautiful sanctuary of connection. India operates the largest postal network in existence, featuring a breathtaking, fully functional floating postal office resting gently on a traditional houseboat across Dal Lake, Kashmir. To all my incredible fans and followers celebrating across this beautiful historic land, happy Independence Day. May your nation continue to stand strong in unity, peace, and boundless divine prosperity. Which of these extraordinary wonders surprised you the most? Drop a proud flag in the comment below.